to enable a step counter on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and add it into the home screen, then first of all we can press and hold our finger on an empty space of the home screen. This allows us to find widgets at the bottom of the screen, so we're going to tap on this button, and there is a chance that you will find the pedometer over here in suggestions, but if not, then we should be able to scroll down in here and find the health app, the Samsung Health app, which contains the step counter, the steps widget. So you can use any of these widgets. You can actually resize them as well. If you press and hold your finger, then you can drop it anywhere you want it to be, and there we go. We can also use these thicker corners in order to resize the widget in case you want to do that. Now, as you can see in here, we have to actually tap on this widget because right now it doesn't display any information. So we need to go over here and we need to set up the app in order to be able to let the phone count our steps. So of course, grant all the necessary permissions that the app needs, go through the setup, press start over here. We can also allow access to alarms and reminders, of course, so remember to do that. And there we go, we have steps opened immediately right after that. And if we go back to the home screen, here we have our pedometer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.